Explanation. We use the word yesterday. My birthday was celebrated. This is the past. I am going to play today is the present. My exam will start from tomorrow is the future. We plan our work with the help of time. We use calendar to know the day and date. It is important to study history. Sometimes old statues, coins, shards of pottery, etc. are found while digging the foundation of a building. These things are studied carefully. Then we come to know the period of time to which they belong. We divide the time into seconds, minutes, hours, days and nights, fortnights, month, year. Time is measured with the instruments like water clocks, and calendar. In the olden days an hourglass was used, two connected glass vessels fitted in a wooden frame with the fine dry sand poured into one upper vessel. When it falls into lower vessel and fills with it, 1 hour was measured. It was used in India and Europe also.